There's nothing worse than that moment when your phone slips out of your hand and you just know the screen might be done. I'll be honest, I drop my phone all the time, like way more than I'd like to admit. So I finally decided I needed something that actually protects it and doesn't make my phone harder to use. Because most screen protectors either bubble, mess up your fingerprint unlock, or just don't hold up. This one fixes all of that. This is the MRGLAS Screen and Camera Protector Kit for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it's seriously impressive. You're getting a 2-pack, which means 2 tempered glass screen protectors, 2 camera lens protectors, and the auto dust removal installation cabin. The key features are the auto dust removal plus perfect alignment system, the 9H tempered glass with 10 times military grade protection, 100% fingerprint unlock compatibility, smudge-resistant coating, full edge-to-edge coverage, and HD camera lens protectors with night clarity. And let me show you why this is such a game changer to install, because this is where most people get frustrated. Start with a clean phone screen. It comes with wipes if you need them. Place your phone into the installation tray/cabin. Close it and follow the simple steps. It basically aligns everything for you. The system uses auto dust removal plus suction technology so you don't get those annoying bubbles. Pull the tab, then use the smoother, and that's it. There is a little bit of pressing. There's no adjusting, no redoing it 5 times. It comes out perfect, actually perfect. It just gives you peace of mind, like you don't have to panic every time your phone slips. If you've struggled with installing screen protectors before, this is completely different. It's basically foolproof, and if you're worried about fingerprint unlock or screen feel, it still feels like your normal screen and unlocks instantly. For me, this has been such a relief. I've already dropped my phone, obviously, and it's still in perfect condition. No cracks, no bubbles, no frustration, and my screen still looks and feels brand new. If you want something that actually protects your phone and makes your life easier, this is 100% worth it. Go check it out. You'll thank yourself the next time your phone hits the floor.